I think there's something wrong. I think I'm missing my shirt. Let me just get it. Yeah. I think I like that. It's pretty good. Okay. I think I'm missing something. I'm seriously not. Oh, yeah, alright, my hat. Hold on, guys. Nope, wrong hat. My hat. Okay. Well, this is a clip of just, well, reading that, guys. And I have bad news. It still is flooded from my last video. The video called, oh my god, hashtag flood, no, oh my god, it's flooded. That's what it says. Yeah. So we still can't go anywhere, but we can go down that road, but well, yeah, this is the stupidest thing that I could be doing. I might get hurt from doing it because of the snakes, probably, but I don't see any so far. I'm just gonna walk in, plunge. Whoa. Guys, it's spread from all the way down there, so if y'all can't see, there's a trash can way down there. Like, it's flooded from all the way out through there. Feet are soaked. If you listen closely, just hear, listen. Well, yeah, I'm just walking down this lane and through all of the water. Yo, it caused massive damage. Except for that house. Well, they could have had damage. That's the furthest I'm gonna go, because if I go anymore, there are gonna be like snakes all down there, so yeah. Well, I'm gonna head back. So that was basically that, guys. So I'm just gonna get to my house. I have to go through all of this. It came into our yard, so I'm gonna snap us there. And I'm back, guys. So I am starving and we don't have anything. Look, you're probably wondering what these are. I don't know what they are. It's for one of my other videos that I'm planning, so keep in touch for that, guys. I'm gonna end this video here. I am super tired, and I'll be seeing you all in the next video. Hey, Hat, wanna end it for me?